Good morning everyone. Today's thought is a little progress each day adds up to big result. Today's date is 1st of August 2020 and today is Saturday. Our class, take a 1 minute relief. Close your eyes and keep your hand like this. Start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes and keep your hand down.
Students, this is our first period and this is English period. So first of all we will do orals. So take your both hand like this and hold it together like this and say after me. I am going to recite a poem, Cobbler Cobbler. Now down your hand. So students, we will recite today's poem, Cobbler Cobbler. Sing with me. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up, stitch it down. Then I will give you half a crown. Students, repeat this poem twice in a day and take the help of your parents and learn poem and phonetics both at your home.
Now students, take out your English notebook and open the page where this work has been said. So today's topic is match the letters to its objects. Okay, so first of all, identify the letters, okay, and its pictures. So first of all, tell me which letter is this? This is B for ball. B for ball. You have to match letter to its object. आपको letter को उसकी picture से match करना है. Okay? So this is B for ball. This is letter B now. So we have to match B for ball with the letter of ball. With the picture of ball. Okay? So first of all, tell me which picture is this? This is A for apple. This is not a ball. This is apple. Okay? This is D for duck. D for duck. This is not a B for ball also. This is B for ball. Yes, this picture is of B for ball. So we will match B with picture of ball, just like this. Okay? So come to the next letter. Which letter is this? This is C. This is C. C for cat. A for apple, B for ball and C for cat. Okay? So we have to match letter C with the picture of cat. So first of all, find here where is the picture of cat. This is the picture of apple. This is the picture of duck. And this is the picture of ball. And this is the picture of cat. So we will match letter C with the picture of cat. Just like this. Okay? Now, which letter is this? This is A for apple. A for apple. So, where is the picture of apple? This is the picture of apple. This is in the top of this line. This is the picture of apple. So, we will match A for apple with the picture of apple. Just like this. And this is D for duck. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat and D D for, there are many things which are start from D, A, B, C, D, है ना? So we will match letter D with the picture of D. D for duck. Okay? So repeat with me. This is a picture of ball. So we will match the letter of B with the picture of ball. This is the letter C. This is the letter C. So we will match letter C with the picture of C for cat. This is the letter A. So we will match the letter A with the picture of apple, because apple start from letter A. This is D for duck. D for duck. So we will match letter D with the picture of duck, because duck start from with the letter of D. Okay? So students, first of all, do this work in your classwork. Then do same as CW in homework. I'll show you how to write. This is your classwork. So you have to do this work in very neat and clean way. Okay? So just wait and open the next page. Okay? Open the next page and come on the next page. Now I am going to teach you a next exercise. Okay? Now students, open the next page, and today's topic is look at the picture and write the first letter of it. Okay? Students, open the next page of English notebook, and today's topic is look at the picture and write the first letter of it. Okay? So आज हम करते हैं, आपको पिक्चर देखनी है और उस पिक्चर को देख के उसका फर्स्ट लेटर लिखना है. ओके, यू हैव टू सी फर्स्टली यू हैव टू सी द पिक्चर एंड राइट द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ इट. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हिच लेटर इज दिस? दिस इज ए फॉर एप्पल. This letter, which letter is this? This is, sorry, which picture is this? This is apple. This is the picture of apple now. So we have right over here A for apple, just like this. A for apple. Like this. This is the picture of apple, and we write over here letter of apple. First letter of apple is A. Okay, so come to the next line. Which letter is this? Sorry, which picture is this? This is B for ball. This is the picture of ball now, and you also play with ball. So this is the picture of ball. So we have right over here letter B. First letter of ball means B for ball. Just like this. B for ball. Okay. And which picture is this? This is the picture of egg. E-double-G, egg. E for egg. Okay. So we have right over here first letter of egg. E for egg. Just like this. Okay. So come to the next picture. Which picture is this? This is G for grapes. G for grapes. This is the picture of grapes. You love to eat grapes now? So we have right over here G for grapes. Just like this. G for grapes. Letter G. cat. Okay, kids, now I'm going to repeat it. This is picture of A for apple. So we have right over here letter A. First letter of the picture. This is the picture of A apple. So we have right over here letter A. This is the picture of ball. B for ball. B is the first letter of ball. So we have right over here first letter of ball. B for ball. E for egg. E for egg. So this is the first letter of egg. E is the first letter of egg. So we have right over here E for egg. And this is grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. So we have right over here first letter of grapes. G for grapes. First letter of G. Grapes. This is cat. C for cat. So we have right over here C. C for cat, because cat is start the letter from C. Okay. So first complete this work in classwork, then do same as CW in homework. Just wait, I'll show you that how to write. This is your work. Okay. Do both the pages at home very, very nicely.
Students, this is your second period of Hindi subject period. So first of all, we will do rhyme. So take your both hands together and say with me, I am going to recite a Hindi poem, Pani Barsa Cham Cham Cham. Now down your hands. आज हम लोग कौन सी poem recite करेंगे? कौन सी कविता पढ़ेंगे? पानी बरसा छम छम छम. तो अब मेरे साथ बोलेंगे आप, पानी बरसा छम छम छम, छाता लेकर निकले हम, पैर जो फिसला गिर गए हम, ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको जो पोयम है, जो ये कविता है, वो आपको घर में लर्न करनी है. सो टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स एंड लर्न कविता एंड वर्णमाला बोथ.
Now students, take out your Hindi notebook and open the page where this work has been said. So today's topic is अक्षर से अक्षर मिलाइए. आपको अक्षर से अक्षर मिलाना है. ओके, यानी कि आपको मैचिंग करानी है. So let's start. Firstly, hold the pencil in your hand like this and get start right. Okay, now tell me which अक्षर is this? Which letter is this? कौन सा अक्षर है? छोटे आ से अनार. छोटे आ से अनार. So we have to match छोटे आ से अनार with the letter of छोटे आ से अनार. हमें छोटे आ से अनार के अक्षर को छोटे आ से अनार के अक्षर से ही मैच कराना है. So now come on this line. Firstly, we will find, okay, we will find where is the letter of छोटे आ से अनार. Tell me. We will start from the up part. Which letter is this? कौन सा अक्षर है ये? बड़े आ से आम का अक्षर है ना. This is not छोटे आ से अनार. This is बड़े आ से आम. So we no need to match it. Okay. So come to the next line. Which letter is this? This is छोटी ई से इमली. छोटी ई से इमली. This is not also अक्षर of छोटे आ से अनार. Come to the third line. Now which letter is this? This is छोटे आ से अनार. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay. So we will match छोटे आ से अनार with the letter of छोटे आ से अनार. Just like this. Clear? Now come to the next line. Now tell me, which akshar is this? Which letter is this? This is बड़ी ई से ईंक. बड़ी ई से ईंक. So come on this line. Firstly, we have to find that where is बड़ी ई से ईंक. This is बड़े आ से आम. So no need to match it because this is आम, not imli. This is not ink, sorry. This is imli. This is not also बड़ी से ink. This is छोटे आ से अनार. So no need to match it. This is बड़ी ई से ink. Yes, this is right answer. So we have to match बड़ी ई से ink with the letter of बड़ी ई से ink. Just like this. Okay, clear? Once again, which letter is this? This is बड़े आ से आम. बड़े आ से आम. Okay, now come on this line and find where is बड़े आ से आम. This is बड़े आ से आम. On the top of this line, this is बड़े आ से आम. So we have to match it. Okay, just like this. Now this is last akshar. This is छोटी ई से इमली. छोटी ई से इमली. So we have to match छोटी ई से इमली with the letter of इमली. Both the letters we have to match it. Okay, to each other. This is छोटी ई से इमली and this is छोटी ई से इमली. So come on, match it. Clear? Now once again I repeat it. This is छोटे आ से अनार. So we have to match छोटे आ से अनार just because see further what is the topic. This is topic is अक्षर से अक्षर मिलाइए. हमें अक्षर से अक्षर मिलाना है. So we have to match. So we will match this. Okay? This is छोटे आ से अनार. छोटे आ से अनार को छोटे आ से अनार से मिलाएंगे. This is बड़ी ई से ईंक. So we will match बड़ी ई से ईंक to बड़ी ई से ईंक. This is बड़े आ से आम. So we will match बड़े आ से आम to बड़े आ से आम. This is छोटी ई से इमली. So we will match छोटी ई से इमली to छोटी ई से इमली. Okay? So do your homework in classwork. Then you say math CW in homework. Just wait, I'll show you how to write. Just like this. Okay? Do this work in neat and clean way. And please you don't need to close your copies. Come to the next page. Okay? So I'm going to tell you next exercise. Now students, come to the next page and today's topic is बड़े आ से अक्षर पर गोला लगाइए. बड़ा आ के अक्षर पर गोला लगाइए. ठीक है? So this is your स्वर. ये आपके स्वर है. आपको इन सब में बड़े आ से आम वाला अक्षर ढूंढकर उस पे सर्कल मार्क करना है. उस पे गोला बनाना है. ओके? So let's start. Firstly, hold the pencil in your hand and get start. Now let's start. Find with me. बड़े आ से आम. This is बड़े आ से आम. टॉपिक क्या है हमारा? बड़े आ से अक्षर पर गोला लगाइए. बड़ा आ अक्षर पर गोला लगाइए. So हम वही करेंगे. हमें इसमें जिस लाइन में हमें बड़ा आ मिलेगा हम उस पे ऐसे सर्कल मार्क करेंगे. ओके? सो दिस इज बड़ा आ. मार्क सर्कल लाइक दिस ऑन बड़ा आ. ओके? क्लियर? दिस इज छोटी से इमली. सो नो नीड टू सर्कल ऑन इमली बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट बड़े आ से आम. ये छोटी सी इमली है. हमें इसमें सर्कल नहीं करना है. क्यों? एक बार हमने फिर ढूंढ लिया ऐसे बढ़िया से आम. So mark the circle over here like this. बढ़िया से आम. Clear? Then come to the next line. This is बड़े ऊ से ऊन. बड़े ऊ से ऊन. This is not बड़े आ से आम. This is ऊन. So avoid it. Okay? Then this is छोटे ए से एड़ी. छोटी ए से एड़ी. This is not also बड़े आ से आम. ये भी बड़े आ से आम नहीं है. तो हम इसको भी लीव कर देंगे. So come to the next line. This is ink. बड़ी ई से ink. This is not बड़े आ से आम. बड़े आ से आम नहीं है. बड़ी ई से ईंक है. तो हम इसे भी लीव कर देंगे. This is बड़े आ से आम. Now circle it like this. Okay. Now come to the next. This is छोटी से इमली. छोटी से इमली ना. So you also no need to circle it because this is not बड़े आ से आम. Leave it. Then come to the next line. Here we go. This is बड़े आ से आम. Okay. Then we have to circle again like this. See, we have find in this all board, in this yacht, total 4 बड़े आ से आम. There is more. Now come and find it. This is छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. So we no need to circle it. This is छोटी ए से एड़ी. No need to again circle it. हमें इसके सर्कल करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Next line. Come to the next line. This is बड़े आ से आम. Yay! We find it. One more बड़ा आ. So we have to circle it like this. Yay! This is बड़े से ऊन. So no need to circle it. Okay. Now I'll repeat it again. This is बड़े आ. बड़ा आ. टॉपिक क्या था हमारा? बड़ा आ अक्षर पर बोला लगानी है ना. तो हमें इस याच में जहां पर बड़ा आ दिख रहा है हमें वहां पे सर्कल मार्क करना है. ओके. Just like this. This is बड़े आ से आम ना. So we have to circle like this. We have to mark circle like this. This is छोटी सी इमली. So no need to circle it. Okay. This is बड़ा आ. Again बड़ा आ. है ना. So we have to mark circle like this. Okay. Then come to the next line. Next letter. This is बड़ा ऊन. बड़े ऊ से ऊन. So no need to circle it. Okay. This is छोटी ए से एड़ी. No need to again circle it because this is एड़ी, not बड़ा आ. This is बड़ी से ईंक. This is बड़ी से ईंक. So no need to circle it. This is बड़ा आ. We have to circle it. Okay. This is छोटी से इमली. No need to circle it because this is इमली. This is बड़ा आ. So we have to circle it. Okay. This is छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. No need to circle it. This is छोटी ए से एड़ी. No need to circle it because this is एड़ी and this is उल्लू. Okay. This is बड़ा आ. So we have to circle it बड़ा आ like this. And this is छोटे ऊ से बड़े ऊ से ऊन. So no need to mark circle. Okay. So firstly complete this work in your classwork. Then you see my CW in homework just like this. I'll show you it how to write. This is your classwork. So kids, you have to do these both pages at home in very nicely and in very good handwriting. Okay. Now students, this is your maths period. So today's topic is counting 1 to 20 oral. Firstly, we will do oral. Okay, 1 to 20 counting. Okay, 1. firstly I speak, then you have to repeat it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. So once again repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So students, learn this counting 1 to 20 at home by heart in very with full enjoyment. Okay? So now take out your maths notebook and open the page. Students, you open your notebook now. Open the page also. Today's topic is what comes after. बाद में क्या आता है? Okay? Now let's start. Now tell me students, what comes after 1? What comes after 1? 1 के बाद क्या आता है? Do you know? Okay, I'll tell you. After 1 comes 2. After 1 comes 2. 1 के बाद 2 आता है. What comes after 1? After 1 comes 2. 1 के बाद 2 आता है. So we will write over here 2 like this. Okay students, now come to the next line. Then tell me what comes after 2? 2 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 2? After 2 comes 3. After 2 comes 3. 2 के बाद 3 आता है. So we will write over here 3 like this. Okay? Then what comes after 3? Do you know? 3 के बाद क्या आता है? आपको पता है? Okay, I'll tell you. After 3 comes 4. 4 comes after 3. 3 के बाद 4 आता है. Just like this. We have to write like this. 4. Okay? This is 4. And what comes after 4? 4 के बाद क्या आता है? Do you know? After 4 comes 5. 4 के बाद 5 आता है. After 4 comes 5. 5 comes after 4. Okay? 5 4 के बाद आता है. So we have to write over here 5 like this. Okay students? Once again, I'll repeat it. What comes after 1? After 1 comes 2. What comes after 2? 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. And what comes after 2? 2 के बाद क्या आता है? 3. And what comes after 3? 3 के बाद क्या आता है? 4. And what comes after 4? 4 के बाद क्या आता है? 5. So students, do this work at your home in very neat and clean way. Okay? I'll show you that how to write. This is your class work. Do it in a very neat and handwriting. So for now you don't need to close your notebook. Open the next page. Okay? I'll tell you next exercise. Okay? Now students, open the next page, and today's topic is count and circle the correct number. Okay? Count and circle the correct number. I'll teach you. Now let's start. Count and circle the correct number. Now let's start right. Okay? Tell me how many triangles are there in board in your notebook. Now let's count it. Okay? Let's start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 triangles now. So we have to circle 6. Okay? This is 7. So no need to circle it. This is 4. So no need to circle it. This is 6. Just like this. Okay? Students, now come to the next line. Count how many balls are there in this room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 balls. Okay, there are total 9 balls. So we have to circle the mark circle to digit 9 like this. Okay. Now come to the next line. Tell me how many lollipops are there in this line. Now let's start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 lollipops now. So we have to circle number 5 like this. Okay. Now come to the next line. Now tell me how many candies are there in this room. 1, 2, 3. There are total 3 candies. So we have to circle number 3 like this. Okay. Once again I repeat it. Topic: count and circle the correct number. Count. First of all count it and then write it. हमें इसमें पिक्चर काउंट करनी होती है एंड देन उसकी डिजिट लिखनी होती है दैट हाउ मेनी पिक्चर्स आर देयर. ओके, जस्ट लाइक दिस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 triangles. So we will circle number 6. 1, 2. Now come to the next row. How many balls are there? There are total. Now let's start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 balls. So we have circle number 9. So now tell me how many lollipops are there in this line? Now let's start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have marked circle number 5 like this. Now how many candies are there in this row? 1, 2, 3. There are total 3 candies in this row. So we have to circle number 3 like this. Then do same as CW. Just like this. Okay?
Hello kids, this is your conversation class. So let's learn our today's topic, and today's topic is good manner. So do you know, if you do act as good, then you are appreciated by others. So just try to behave with a good manner, and please do, because if you do good acts and if your nature is good, then you are appreciated and motivated. Okay, so let's start. First, please, when you want something, or like toys, stationery, books, notebooks, and many more things with other people, then you have to say with please. Use please word. For example, if you are hungry at your home, then tell your mother, please give me food. Okay? Don't say give me food. Just say, please give me a food. If in a school, if you want a pencil with your from a friend, then you have to say that, please give me a pencil. Now second, sorry. If you have done a mistake, then say sorry. Dear kids, if you accept your mistake, then you are appreciated by other people, and then other people say that you are very good. Third, excuse me. When two people talk with each other and you have some work with them, then you have to just say, excuse me. Suddenly, don't go there and don't say your talk, and don't talk to them. Okay. For example, in your at your home, your father and your uncle talk with each other, but you have urgent work with your father. Then go there and say, "Excuse me, Papa." Okay. Before starting or interrupt to other person or other people, then you have to say, "Excuse me." Then tell your problem. Thank you. If you take anything from other and then say thank you. Now next, may I go to toilet? When when you want to go washroom in your class, so then ask to your teacher, ma'am, may I go to toilet? Okay, give permission from your teacher, then go outside from the classroom. Next, may I drink water? If you want drink water, then ask to your teacher, ma'am, may I drink water? If she give you permission, then you have to take water. Okay. Next, always be on time. Always be on time. Time is very precious, so you all have to learn the value of time. If you always be on time, for example, your school timing is 7 o'clock, but you reach there by 7:15 or 7:30. You are getting late, you missed everything, you missed your prayer, so don't get late, just be on time. Next, ask for things politely. If you want anything with other people, or if you want to ask something with your parents, with your teachers, then say politely. Okay, speak softly. Next, I have finished my work. When you have done your work, then say I have finished my work. For example, in your classroom, your teacher give you a homework. Then when you complete your work, don't say मेरा काम हो गया. Yeah, don't say that हो गया. Just say politely, I have finished my work.
Okay, I hope you all understand this. Here, once again, I am repeating all this. Say please when you want to something with other. Say sorry when you have done mistake. Excuse me when two people talk to each other. Then, firstly, you have to say excuse me. Thank you. Say thank you if anybody helps you. Okay. Next, when you want to go to washroom, then ask your teacher, ma'am, may I go to toilet? Next, if you want to drink a water, then take permission from your teacher and ask, ma'am, may I drink water? Next, always be on time. Next, always ask for things politely. When you ask anything from your teacher, from your parents, from your friends, then ask them in a politely manner. Politely manner. Next, I have finished my work. When you have completed your work, then say, ma'am, I have finished my work. Okay, kids. So, this is our today's classwork. In your homework, you all have to just revise this good manners with the help of your parents, with the help of your sisters or brothers. Okay, so thank you students. We will meet in our next class. Till then, complete your work and thank you.